Okay folks, I'm gonna try this again. So, I'm back out at Ozzie Cobb, and wipe that lens off just a bit. Sorry, welcome back to another episode. Today, I'm gonna try to recreate what me and the Sauce Man did out here pretty recently. Lost my GoPro. I didn't lose it. I actually left it out the lake, went back, and somebody had already got it. Kind of sucks not having the GoPro though. The stabilization isn't the same. The pixel form, just a whole bunch of different things. Anyway, I'm going to try to get out here and get on some bites. I just seen a really good bust over here, so I know there's some kind of activity. Prefrontal, about to be moving into some storms this later on today, I think. Actually, it may be supposed to rain like today or something. But I'm going to get over here, try to get on some bites. We'll see what we can make happen, y'all. Stick with me. I did a terrible job of filming last time. I don't know, Sauce Man's fishing game was off. He wasn't doing too well as far as catching goes. My film game was off, so between the two, we just didn't do great. Caught a few fish, but I didn't get them on film really. Let's get it going. Alright, y'all. Yeah, that's messed up. We're at this super windy spot, just hooked up on the first fish I'm about to show you guys. Before we get into that, I wanted to mention this is probably going to be my primary filming method. See if we can't catch some more. We're in this little channel. I figured since the edges haven't been really doing so well, and neither the leading out to the depths, points and whatnot haven't been doing so great, so I figured maybe the channels, and then he actually, excuse me, he actually hooked up on one in the pad, so we may be able to get back here and do another pad situation. But hopefully we can get you guys in this action. Like I said, I lost my GoPro. I came out here early in the morning, about 8, 9 o'clock. Ended up having to leave immediately to go back and, you know, try to find my GoPro, but it wasn't there. So here we are. Let me show you this fish right quick. So he's in really good health. I put him in the live well real quick to make sure that I'd be able to show you guys. I want to say it's like a 2.5 or so. A little chunk, man. Let's see if we can't get a release on him. Hope you guys can see here. Oop, that's too far, Jam. I don't really know the range of this camera as well as my GoPro, so we'll see what we can do. Got fish. Have a decent. Ooh. Oh, there's more fish, bro. Get in there. That's another good, dude. You might get in a net. I don't know how good this one's hooked. Oh, I'm just forcing it. Oh, that's a guy's fish. Yeah. Yo, shout out to because I'm terrible with names, folks. That's one thing. I suck with names, so just stick with me. Home dude just told us to come out here because the fish were fired up, and we've been like kind of skeptical, but there's some good fish biting, no doubt. Another fatty, dude. Damn, it looks like the same ass fish. I want a picture. Oh, my. Get back in there, man. They're still busting around here. Bam! Yum! Like my dude Damon be doing. Put that mouth on the camera. I can't.
I'm surprised how often they'll have shit in their mouth.
Dude! I just noticed, look at that.
He's a big fish, dude.
Look at that belly, bro.
When I netted him, I
Bow, 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 bow. Look at this. Chunky. Just eating these shads. Look at that.
That's what I'm saying. He's probably got something in his shad.
I want to pull that out and look at it, but I don't want to hurt the fish. Let's let this guy go. That is sick. They are eating these shads good, dude. Home dude wouldn't lie, man. Fishing is good out here.
I can't even catch a fish. lost about 6 of them. Look at this thing. Oh. In the bowl.
He got some chartreuse on his ass.
That's
What
what
is
I'm
that?
saying.
Yo, can you really do that like dying fish?
Can I get a picture of this fish, bro?
Yeah, word.
I was about to chunk him back in, but
Show the camera that right quick. That's sick. It's got like a chartreuse tail.
it's got black and chartreuse all in there. That's how you do it. I like turtles.
Drop it. Yo, with us back there still? I hope so, man. Pow, pow, pow. Solid one, dude. Yo, I just caught another freaking pig. We gotta get this dude out and see what it's like, see what it weighs and all that. This is a stinking pig. Oh my gosh. Yo, shout out home dude. Ozzie, I caught 2.5. I got way too hyped on this one. 5 pounder, dude. How is that not more than 3.5? Terrible lighting. I'm sorry, folks. I lost my freaking GoPro and I suck on one of the best days of fishing I've had in a minute. First one, nice little 2-pound chunk or so on the drop shot. Believe it or not, I think I'd have to go finesse over here for a minute since I kind of just rolled up on him and bam, 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 trying to hit him real hard. Get you guys with the release situation. Really cool that that worked because honestly, I don't fish the drop shot a whole lot. So, you know, coming out here, cold weather bite, get on the drop shot. So I want to throw another Somatis. I've only got a few of these and I kind of just lost that one immediately. I got a couple more, so I guess I'll throw one more. Instead of using the traditional, I don't even really know what it's called. The standard nowadays, standard shape for a drop shot weight, I like to use these dipsy swivels. This is probably a little bit light. I'm gonna need to get a bigger one actually, for the wind and whatnot. But it's pretty much what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this on so it doesn't slide off anymore. Generally, when I throw a drop shot, I try to throw the lightest weight possible. Still want bottom contact. Sorry. Still want bottom contact. Still want to be able to feel your bait whenever you're working it or whatever. But this is the size I'm going with. It's probably like a 3/16 or I don't know. The shad were busting over here really good, just straight busting. Now they're not really doing what they were doing. A little bit more wind blowing through here too though. Stinking good, y'all. He's fire. Get the net on him before I break him off. On my soft swimmer I was telling you guys about, look at that belly. Ah, another freaking solid. Straight Straight tanker, y'all. Ah, like Damon be doing. Alright, real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy out of here because I don't want him to mess himself up in my live well or start turning. He's actually pretty tall, so I don't have enough water in there really, and I left my bailing thing at home. So let's go ahead and get this dude out of here. Nice, solid 2-pounder. It's getting blasted. Something else. Let's see that over there. There we go. Off that point, off that Bam! I knew I'd turn my camera back on for a good reason. Pow, 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 pow! Pow, pow, pow! Let's get him out of here. Off of that point! Off that point! Okay, what? I'm so dead! Okay, so I felt a little fish running me off of this little point I just casted at. I felt it, I could tell it was tiny. And so I went to set the hook on it, and I guess it shot straight out and hit my boat and popped off. I wish you guys could have seen that. That was so dumb. Lost that fish and everything. Alright, cool. There's a lot of little... Oh no! Damn, I probably just ruined this spot. I was just about to say there's a lot of fish here. First little fish I hooked into, slung it into the boat, and it got off. That was so dumb. And then boom, there's another one. It's a solid one right there. That's a, let's see. May not even be a freaking 14-incher, but he's fat enough. Yeah, he's just at 14 inches, 1-pounder. Solid fish. Get back in here. Right here. Actually, it's not a point. I keep saying point, but what I mean is like a point, but it's a flat. That's how we're gonna get on them. Figuring out some patterns. That was a solid one, dude.